Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix posts not showing on Instagram profile or simply post is not showing on another Instagram profile. So if you're getting this problem on Instagram, then here follow the fixes. First fix is to simply uninstall and reinstall Instagram app. So tap and hold Instagram app icon, then click on uninstall and then again click on uninstall to confirm. Then restart your device. And once your device restart, open Play Store, tap on search for Instagram and tap on it, then click on install, and once it get installed, launch it and then log into your account and then check Instagram posts are showing in your profile or not. This has solved the issue for many users, so I hope this will work for you. If still your problem is not solved, then you can also try Instagram Lite app. So open Play Store, tap on search for Instagram Lite and tap on it, then install Instagram Lite app on your phone, and once this Instagram Lite app get installed, launch it and log into your account and then check post is showing or not. This is an alternative option. If still your problem is not solved, then you can also try web version of Instagram. So you can launch Chrome app and then visit instagram.com and then log into your account and then check post is showing or not. Or you can also use your computer or laptop, log into instagram.com and then check your post is showing or not. This is also an alternative option. Now if your problem is not solved yet, then the last solution is to uninstall Instagram app and then reinstall the older version of Instagram app and then check. So first of all, you have to uninstall Instagram app. So tap and hold the Instagram app icon, then click on uninstall and then click on uninstall all. Then open Chrome browser. Here type Instagram older version. Then open up to down website or any other website and install the older version of or the previous version of Instagram app and then log into your account and then check post is showing or not. So by this way you can easily fix posts not showing on Instagram profile or post not showing in Instagram app. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.